Tom Rousley with WJLA here in D.C. Just wanted to add a two-part question. One, just wanted to clarify what you're announcing today, although you said there could be consolidation later. This is one lawsuit representing 34 families, correct?
No, this is one lawsuit representing one family.
Okay, so it's just for one family.
That's correct.
As Bob explained earlier, all of the other notices of claim that are required under the Federal Tort Claims Act have or will be filed. They're almost all filed at this point. And depending on the lapse of the 6-month required notice period, subsequent suits will be filed. Many of those are becoming ripe in the next coming days and weeks and months, so you can expect to see all the lawsuits filed probably by the end of the year or shortly thereafter.
Okay. Sorry, I was a little unclear on that. Thank you. Yeah. And then just part two is, what specifically are you demanding in this lawsuit? I know you said you want accountability. I mean, are you demanding changes by the government? Are you demanding monetary damages, both?
In a lawsuit like this, the end result will ultimately be a monetary award to the family, reached either by settlement or trial. Remember that under federal law, a case against the government is tried before the court. It's a non-jury trial before a federal judge. Here you have the case coupled with a case against commercial operators, and that is the right to trial by jury, and our complaint does ask for a jury trial. What normally would occur in practice is that the federal judge, if there is a trial, will have the jury hear all of the evidence, and the jury's decision on monetary damages will apply to the case against the airlines, and he or she will take the jury's decision as advisory to herself about what the award should be against the government. And it's only one award, ultimately. It's a combined award. It's not multiple jury verdicts, but it's a joint award, but it's the judge who decides what the number will be. And then finally, as it relates to change, I mentioned in my remarks legacy. You've heard Mr. Lane talk about the legislative efforts. In our space, there's a concept about graveyard justice, that here you have this terrible, awful thing has happened, and you would hope that sensible, responsible corporate citizens would take the steps necessary to improve safety around that airport, and there are others in our country, by the way, with similar issues. And so that's the change that comes about, hopefully, when you have these good people who are willing to sit in front of you, the very last place any of them want to be today, and let the message go out that their family members didn't die in vain. And hopefully the power in Congress will listen to their message, will enact laws that force change so that the likes of the FAA, the likes of the C-suite in corporate America in terms of airlines will be meaningfully responsible in making it a safer country for aviation safety.